Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. It's your friendly neighborhood PM with your top 3 market points of the week. And man, do we have some volatility this week. So without further ado, let's just dive right into your top 3 points and get you onto your weekend. Kicking us off at number 3, it's a Strait of Hormuz update. Now, we have been seeing increased shipping activity traversing the strait as of late, but we did get news this week that a ship was struck by a projectile while trying to traverse it. Now, it's currently unknown who committed the attack, but what this does is it puts into perspective just how fragile this interim peace deal is between the U.S. and Iran, and it increases anxiety and stress for ship owners and their crews as to whether or not they can even traverse the strait safely. So, ongoing situation there, and we'll keep you posted as always. At number 2, it was Apple falling 6% yesterday. Now, this would be Apple's largest single-day decline since April of 2025. This is primarily driven by the fact that they announced that they were increasing prices on their MacBooks, iPads, and a few other devices in order to offset the cost of rising memory chips and storage. Now, what they have said is that these price increases will go in effect globally, but it will not be touching iPhones, AirPods, and Apple Watches right now. So if you're in the market for any of those 3, hurry up and go out and get them, because they did say that further price increases could be happening in the future. And then finally, point number 1, it's just overall tech volatility increasing this week. We saw Micron come out with amazing quarterly earnings and surging double digits in a single day. And then we saw the Korean markets plunge, primarily driven by Samsung and SK Hynix, the other major memory chip players, cause a circuit breaker on the Korean markets themselves. Meanwhile, on the other side of things, we have heard that OpenAI may be delaying their IPO until 2027. So just a lot of turmoil going on right now in the tech sector this week. However, the demand for AI and the structural build out for it continues to be strong, but you are starting to see a little bit of a shift of sentiment in real time. So always be monitoring that, as that's the prevailing theme right now going on in the markets. That does it for your top 3 points this week. What are we checking out for next week? Well, next week I will be out. There will be no video, but one thing to keep an eye on is the labor market data coming out. We have non-farm payrolls, the unemployment rate, so keep an eye on that. Now that does it for this week's video. As always, if you have additional questions, please reach out to your financial advisor. And if you do not have one, please follow our link below. We'll be happy to get you connected with one. But as always, please go out, enjoy your weekend, and enjoy your 4th of July, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again.